To add categories and subcategories in Shopify, access Shopify Admin, log into your Shopify Admin dashboard, create collections, navigate to Products Collections, click on Create Collection or select an existing collection to modify. Add main categories. Create collections representing your main categories by clicking Create Collection and providing a title and description. Create subcategories. To add subcategories, create nested collections within main categories. Edit an existing collection or create a new one. Under the collection type, choose Manual for customizing the products within each category. Organize subcategories. In the collection, click Add Products manually and start adding relevant products. Use the Sort option to arrange products within subcategories according to your preference. Navigation setup. Customize your store's navigation menu to reflect the categories and subcategories. Go to Online Store Navigation and edit the main menu. Add links to the main category pages and nest links to subcategory pages beneath them. Publish changes. Save and publish the changes to make the categories and subcategories visible on your Shopify store.